We are soon going to land at one of the most challenging airports in the world, and here only a handful certified pilots can actually land. Let's get into the cockpit and find out more.
मैं जा रही हूँ टू भूटान एंड आई एम सून गोइंग टू लैंड इन टू पारो। दिल्ली से जाने वाली फ्लाइट काठमांडू से होते हुए जाती है, तो रास्ते में आपको मिलेंगे स्पेक्टेकुलर व्यूज।
We just passed Everest that we had seen it that time.
Yeah.
And this is Mount Kachinjunga.
Right. Oh wow.
Okay. So that is the third highest.
ये जर्नी तो अमेजिंग है ही, पर पारो एयरपोर्ट पर लैंड करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है क्योंकि यहाँ का रनवे इज सराउंडेड बाय माउंटेन्स एंड इज शॉर्टर एंड नैरोअर देन अदर एयरपोर्ट्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। सिर्फ 24 एक्सपीरियंस पायलट्स हैं जो इस एयरपोर्ट पर लैंड कर सकते हैं।
One of the expensive equipment that we have in this aircraft is we call it the GPWS.
Okay.
It detects the terrain.
Oh, okay.
Like for example, if you're going close to the mountain, it says
Terrain.
Of course, we have to be mindful of the terrain, which is the primary concern.
Right.
And second is the weather. This aircraft is suitable for Paro. If you have a bigger aircraft, it won't be able to land at Paro. So that's why we have this, we call it the A319. Our length right now at the moment is 2,200 meters approximate. Whereas other airports, they are more than 3 kilometers.
How many years have you been flying?
I've been flying for the last 10 years now.
Well, guys, we are definitely in safe hands. Thank you for allowing us to come into the cockpit.
पारो एयरपोर्ट वैलीज के बीच में है, मतलब लैंडिंग लिटरली बिटवीन 18,000 फीट पीक्स एंड डेंस फॉरेस्ट। एंड जब प्लेन 45 डिग्री टर्न लेता है, यू विल फील लाइक यू आर टू क्लोज टू द माउंटेन्स।
तेरी लाइट, it almost feels like ऐसे माउंटेन के पास से गुजर कर हम लैंड करने वाले हैं। But our pilot is very, very experienced. We are going to be safe. Well, this is how landing into paradise feels like.
अगर आप भी भूटान आना चाहते हो, then book your tickets on Yatra as you can avail up to 10,000 off on your international booking. So when are you planning to visit the land of Thunder Dragon? Let us know in comments below.